How to recover deleted videos on YouTube. Hello YouTube creators. You accidentally deleted a video from your YouTube channel and now you're panicking. Don't worry, there is a way to recover deleted videos on YouTube. So let's explore how to do it step by step. Begin by opening YouTube Studio on your computer or mobile device. You can do this by visiting studio.youtube.com and log in into your YouTube account. In YouTube Studio, locate and click on the Videos tab in the sidebar menu. This will display a list of all the videos on your YouTube channel. Look for the Trash option, usually located near the top of the page. Click on it to access the Trash folder where all your deleted videos are stored temporarily. In the Trash folder, you'll see a list of all the videos you've deleted from your channel. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the deleted video you want to recover. Once you've found the deleted video, click on it, select it, and this will highlight the video and display options for restoring or permanently deleting it. Look for the Restore option and click on it. YouTube may prompt you to confirm your decision to restore the video, so confirm it. Go back to the Videos tab in the YouTube Studio to verify that the deleted video has been successfully restored. Remember to double check before deleting any video in the future, but it's good to know that you have the option to restore them if needed. Happy creating, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.